So Mom and I stopped by, it's called the Bloom Boutique, to look at some hanging baskets for the porch. So let's get out the car. So I'm going to turn the camera around and let you see the baskets. Mom and I have been passing by this Bloom Boutique for weeks. And I keep saying, Ma, the next time we pass by, I'm stopping. So today, I was like, forget it. I'm stopping. And you can see why I had to stop. These hanging baskets are so beautiful. We did more than stop. We made a purchase. 2 beautiful hanging baskets for the front porch. You already know what that means. Make sure to join me on tomorrow for my summer front porch makeover. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. See you tomorrow, 6 p.m.